Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, you guys, I wanted to share with you guys the most important thing you should have when purchasing your new home. One of the most important things, there's a lot of important things you should have, but one of the most important things I wanted to share with you guys so that you will not take it for granted and it's a must. You must have, and what you should get is homeowners insurance. Like I told you guys, I want to share with you guys and bring to you guys things that a lot of people don't know when purchasing a home. And again, it's homeowners insurance. I had to learn, and I want to be able to share with you guys. Those of you who don't know home buying process or anything like that, I learned that it's a must. It's a must you have it. It will cover you guys when you have like a burglary, if you have a fire, electrical fire, a stove fire, just any type of fire, someone tried to break in your house. It's important to have homeowners insurance. There's so many different homeowners insurance out there. Yes, it could be quite expensive, but what I did learn is you're definitely gonna have to search around and find the one that's best for you. I live in Florida, so I was able to search and find one that worked for me. A lot of times when you go to purchase your home, they're going to want you to search around for homeowners insurance. You may be able to get it to where it's included in your mortgage, or you may buy it separate from your mortgage. Luckily for me, like I say, I am a first-time homeowner, and a lot of stuff I didn't know, I had to learn along the way. So these are some of the things I want to share with you guys for those of you who are looking for a home, who don't know the process of purchasing a home. But again, you probably can get your homeowner's insurance included in your monthly mortgage, which I have it that way, and it works good for me that way, because when I pay my mortgage, I'm also paying into my homeowner's insurance. I do have to renew my coverage yearly. Sometimes it increases a little, sometimes it decreases a little, but it just all depends. But do not, I stress you guys, do not purchase your home without having that homeowner's insurance. It's going to be really, really vital. With me, I think I pay, I don't want to tell you guys the wrong thing, but again, like I said, my homeowner's insurance is included in my mortgage. My mortgage is a little over $1,000. So really, I don't see, like some people might say, oh, it's so expensive for homeowners insurance. I don't know, but it's in some states it's a requirement to have it. Like where I live, I have to have it. I have to have it because if someone breaks in my house, I need to know that my jewelry is covered, my clothes are covered, my children's items are covered, and that relieves stress off me to know that it's covered. If I'm cooking on the stove, like you guys know I do a cooking channel. If I'm cooking on the stove and something catches a fire, I'm reimbursed for that. So that is one of the main things you want to have. So do not purchase your home without getting that. Also a good thing to have, you guys, is like if you like your lady, it's good to have like if you live in like a subdivision with the HOA, you guys may have like someone to come out and mow your lawn for you. But if you don't, it's another good idea is what I learned, to have someone who can keep up your yard for you. A lot of us ladies, we don't know how to do it. We probably have never done it. And if you're a first time homeowner like me, when I first moved into my house, I'm like, oh my God, I can't cut this big old yard. But let me tell you, I learned because I got tired of paying a lawn guy to come out here and cut my grass for $100. So I remember one day the lawn guy came out and I was like, you know what type of lawnmower do I need? I didn't tell him I was going to do it. If I was to do it, I was like, what type do I need? So he told me that. And I, like 2 weeks later, went out and got my own. I was not going to continue to pay for that when I could try to do it myself. Now, listen, I had never cut a yard in my life, but those are the things that I learned, because when you become a homeowner and, you don't have that gentleman there that's going to do it for you all the time. And even if you do have it, you want to be able to know how to do the things that you could do, you know, because it's your home, you know, you want to keep it looking nice. So a lot of things as a young lady, as a lady, we have to learn how to maintain our home as a first-time homeowner. And again, I'm speaking to the people who are going to be first-time homeowners. And again, I wish I had people out there who could have told me some of the things to look for, and some of the things that I would have to do as a homeowner. I didn't know that. So yeah, so I'm talking to you guys out there who will be purchasing a home or have already purchased a home and just need a little bit of tips. So again, homeowners insurance, yard maintenance. A lot of times when things break in your home, if you're coming from someone who's coming from an apartment, you're not going to have that apartment maintenance tech to come out and fix stuff for you. So you're going to have to learn how to be handy. And when I say handy, I mean handy. So if like a screw or something come loose, or I remember like a couple of months ago, I had a refrigerator issue. Granted, it's a new refrigerator, but things do go wrong with new stuff, you know. And come to find it was an electrical issue, and it wasn't even the refrigerator, but I had to try to figure that out. I couldn't call Masons, hey, come out here and fix this for me. I couldn't do that. So I had to figure out what was going on and then call somebody to pay them, you know. So it's things like that you want to be aware of. So if you feel like you're not ready and you don't, you know, you're not ready for that, then I would suggest you probably are not ready to buy a house, because a lot of things is going to fall on you. It's going to be a lot of responsibility, but in the end, it's all worth it. It's all worth it. So yeah, those are a little bit of tips that I wanted to share with you guys. And I'm going to keep bringing you tips and keep bringing you things that I learned throughout my journey as a homeowner. So I hope that helped someone out there to be able to know, you know, what to expect and stuff like that. So yeah, but don't forget, guys, to inquire about the homeowners insurance. Do not forget to search around, because when you go to get that loan, you don't want anything just being thrown at you and you don't understand it. So make sure that you guys research, wherever state you're from, whatever county you're from, go and Google homeowners insurance, compare your rates. It's just like kind of like having car insurance. You kind of weigh options and compare rates. Do that as well for your homeowners insurance. Don't just take anything. Know what to look for. Another thing I forgot to tell you guys, when you do get your homeowners insurance, you're probably not going to have flood insurance included in your homeowners insurance. So that may be something you have to purchase, like an add-on. It's trust me, it don't make any sense, but look like they would include flood insurance, but that's one thing that's not included in there. So also Google that, make sure you understand that, just the ins and outs as I come across and as I remember. And I think when I first was purchasing my home, I'm gonna give you guys tips and tricks on that. But today's video is about the number one most important thing, which is the homeowner's insurance. So do not forget, ladies, gentlemen, out there getting ready to purchase a home, do not forget to search around for the homeowner's insurance. Make sure you look, read, and research so that you won't get bamboozled and taken, you know, for a loop, because you have people out there who will try to take advantage of you being that first-time homeowner if you don't know what to look out for. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you're new, do not forget to subscribe to the channel because, again, I try to just bring you guys tips that will help you along the way. So yeah, and thank you for all of my returning viewers. I want to say thanks a lot. Until the next video, I'll see you guys later.